So I recently got sent out this toilet water supply line, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. Basically, we're going to be swapping the one out that's on this toilet right now for something that's a little shorter. This one's about 12 inches, so let's go ahead and start the process. So for step number one, we're going to turn the water off on this line so that we could actually take it off and not have any massive leaks. Now we're just going to empty the water bowl behind here, so we're just going to flush it a bunch of times just to make sure the water doesn't just come out the bottom of the toilet while we swap this. So now when I press this, you can't hear the toilet do anything, so we're just going to take a look. So we drained as much as we can. Now I think we're just going to have to unscrew the current water supply pipe and just put a bucket under here for it all to drain out. So from there, just grab a bucket and a towel just in case. Now we're going to get started with that. All right, so we have a little bucket here. So we're going to start unscrewing this. All right, so it looks like just barely any water came out, so that's good news. All right, so now we're just gonna take our channel locks and just loosen this up. And you can use your hands eventually once it's getting a little looser. And as you guys can see, this was just way too long here. So the shorter pipe should be a little better. So we're just going to put this on hand tight for now. Now that we got it pretty tight, we're gonna take our channel locks. And these are a pretty fine thread, so it will take a minute to get this all the way tightened. All right, so that should be good. Now we're gonna go ahead and just reattach this right where we took the other one off. All right, now that we have it basically as tight as we could get it with our hand, we're gonna use our channel locks and just slowly tighten this up. And it is going onto a plastic connector, so it's important not to over tighten this. So after you guys are done putting that on, you guys are all set to go ahead and test out the water. So you guys will turn the water back on, and then you guys should hear the toilet start refilling again. And then you guys will just pay attention for any leaks down here. If you guys followed my instructions, you guys shouldn't have any worries. And really, if you guys are doing something like this, I would even go for a shorter water supply line for this case. This toilet's just really close to the water supply, so we could have gone away with probably a 6-inch version, which may have been better and less prone to kinking. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review and install of this water supply line for your toilet.